Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn green message into blue. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. If someone sent you a message and it's appear as green message and you want to turn this blue, then you have to do some settings. For that you have to open settings. For that you have to look it for iMessage. Here it is guys. From here you have to make sure that if you have turned this toggle on. For that, okay guys, just simply you have to turn the toggle on for iMessage. The second thing is guys, if you are connected with Wi-Fi, you have to make sure that you are connected with Wi-Fi, and you have to make sure that you have turned the toggle on for iMessage. Okay guys, so you have to do both of these settings on your phone and you can easily get that message into blue. And the other thing is guys, if any person send you message and he has Android device, then you can see that message into green. Okay guys, and other person has iPhone and he is not connected with the Wi-Fi and he turned off the iMessage toggle, then you cannot see the message into blue. Okay guys, so you have to turn on iMessage and you have to make sure that you are connected with Wi-Fi, and other person that he is sending the message also connected with Wi-Fi and he has iPhone. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.